Welcome back. Let's start doodling. Today we're going to draw a heart. So grab a pencil and a piece of paper and let's doodle. Let's start right here on the page in the middle and draw a big curved line that goes up and back down. This is a long line, so take your time. And now it curves back in like this. Now back to where we started. Let's do the same on the other side. Take your time. You can always pause the video if you need more time. Slow and steady wins the race, like that. Okay, let's draw one eye on this side. Starting here, let's do kind of an oval shape. Up and then back around. Let's do that on this side too. Starting here, let's draw another oval like this. And then inside that oval, let's draw a smaller circle that touches the side. And now a smaller circle touching that circle. Let's do the same on this side. And a smaller circle. Okay, let's color those eyes in black. That looks great. All right, let's draw the outer shape of the eye. Starting here, let's draw a curved line that comes back around but stops and doesn't touch the black of the circle. And we're going to draw some eyelashes with little curved lines like this that kind of come to a point at the end. That looks great. Let's do the same on the other side. Right here, let's do that curved outer eye line, but don't let it touch. Stop it. There it goes. Okay, let's draw those eyelashes on this side now. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now for the mouth. Let's draw a happy line like this. And then another line that connects to it underneath. And now a little lines for the tongue. And let's color in that mouth black. Okay, I think this is a shiny heart, so let's add some highlights up here on top. It's just an oval circle like that. And then another smaller oval circle here. I think this is a really shiny heart, so let's add some sparkles around it, and maybe some hearts and stars too. I'm going to start with a heart right up here, a small heart above the big heart. And now maybe a sparkle here that's kind of a diamond shape, but with curved lines. And maybe a little circle spark here. And another sparkle here. Those are 4 lines that curve in on each other. Let's do a star here. A 5-point star. There's 1 point. 2 point, 3 point, 4, 5. And another sparkle here. And a little circle sparkle here. And those diamond-shaped sparkle here. This is a really shiny heart. Here, a bigger diamond-shaped sparkle here, with these curved lines that go in on each other. And now maybe another heart here. And a tiny sparkle here. And a little tiny circle sparkle there. Let's do another star up here. And another sparkle right up here. And maybe we'll do 2 more sparkles. One little circle one, and then another little tiny shiny one here. That looks great! Remember, you can always pause the video if you need more time. Wow! Your drawing is looking great! Now, let's add some color to it. I'm gonna color mine red, but you can color yours any color. Now, when coloring, make sure you don't color in the whites of the eyes, just around them like this. Be careful when coloring around those highlights. Let's color in the highlight now. A lighter red, almost a pink color. Now let's color in the tongue. And now let's color in the sparkles. Don't forget to sign your doodle. I hope you had fun drawing with me today. And don't forget, there are no mistakes, just doodles. I'll see you in the next video.